Today, we are going to continue working on bigger unknown word problems, but we are going to look at bigger unknown problems with the word fewer in them instead of more. So first, before I ever write my equation, I have to answer these two questions. Who has greater and who has fewer? Let's read our problem. Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina. Sean has 24 marshmallows. How many marshmallows does Gina have? So the first thing I need to know is who has greater? Well, if Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina, that means Sean has less than Gina. So Gina has the greater number of marshmallows. Next, I have to answer who has fewer. It says right in the problem, Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina. So Sean is the one with fewer. I'm going to move down here to write my greater, fewer, difference equation. When I'm looking at this G, I know that I'm looking at the number that the person who has greater has. So I'm looking for the number of marshmallows that Gina has because I already answered Gina has the greater number of marshmallows. So I'm going to look back in my problem for what my problem says about Gina. All it says is Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina. So I have no idea how many marshmallows Gina has, which means in this spot I need to put my symbol. Next, I'm looking at the F, which stands for fewer. So I'm looking at the person who has the fewer number. In this case, I said the person with fewer was Sean. So I'm going to see what my word problem says about Sean. Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina. Sean has 24 marshmallows. Okay, so I know that Sean has 24 marshmallows. So my 24 is going to go right there. Next, I have to look at my difference. What is the number that is the difference between how many marshmallows Sean has and how many marshmallows Gina has? If Sean has 17 fewer marshmallows than Gina, that's my difference. So I'm going to put the number 17 right there. Next, I have to switch around my equation so that my symbol is at the end after the equal sign. Up here, I know that my biggest number is going to be my symbol because this is a subtraction problem and the bigger number always goes first in a subtraction problem. So now my biggest number is at the end. Since my biggest number is at the end now, I know that this is going to be an addition problem. The other two numbers I have to fill in are 24 and 17. And you know that you could also put 17 first and 24 next. Since it's addition, it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to use my strategy to solve. So I'm going to draw 2 10s and 4 1s for my 24. And then I'm going to draw 1 10 and 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for my 17. I'm supposed to add them together. So first I need to look at my ones place and see if I can regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it looks like I have 10 ones. So I'm going to regroup those together and I'm going to double count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm going to put an X through those. I'm going to add my 10 into my tens place. And then I have to look at my tens. I can't regroup my tens. And so I have to see what I have left. I have 1 1 left. I'm going to make sure, yep, just the 1. And then I need to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I have my number, 41. Now I have to make my sentence. What is the question asking me? How many marshmallows does Gina have? Well, Gina has 41 marshmallows. And there you go.